Mr. Zircon.
Future consumer, we thank you for your interest in the Skid McMark's Sports Shack. However, your refusal to leave has forced us to activate the Constructobots. Have a nice day.
Oh, that's why it was telling me to
picking
hold.
up a strange energy signature near the swing shot targets. I believe it may be a gadget from Trek Industries.
Mmm.
All right, let's have a look around.
What the heck? Oh, I thought that was like a...
I see you two dudes fell in my store. Hey, it doesn't look like much now, but it's gonna be awesome! We're gonna have hoverboards, a swing shot course, and even a 24-hour taco stand.
24-hour... He's a stoner, definitely. Ah, shit. Gotcha. Get him.
They keep coming.
Oh, that was a dirty one, boy. Right, let's yeah, let's not do that. Let's get him with the shotgun. Get him.
I believe we are clear.
I believe we are clear. I think it wants me to go down
Future
here.
consumer, the finest selection of hoverboards, grab bikes, and gyrocycles will not be in stock until next fall. The only thing waiting for you here is
Death. That's good to know.
Hey, Skid McMark's here, and as you know, I'm a naturally talented hoverboarder. You know what else is natural about me? Find out by visiting our herbal supplements department. You'll thank me later, man. No.
Herbal supplements. What? Where the hell am I supposed to? Oh. He's the biggest weed. He's a weed addict, man. He's a marijuana motherfucker. Alright. Skid McMarks. Got him. So, oh yeah, we're still supposed to be looking for this Adrian. Hello. Got him. Oh, sorry, I just did something weird there. Oh, I didn't realize we were actually back in the game. Snap back to reality, there we go. Right, so got him. Meep, meep. Right, I don't even know if I'm going the right way, the wrong way, the up way, the down way, the left way, right way, the inside out way. Where am I supposed to go? Oh. Ay, ay, ay.
You know celebrities these days. They do whatever they want.
Yep.
We can work this out, can't we?
We'll work it out by feeding you to the sand sharks.
Help! These brutes are trying to kill me!
Take out the law packs.
Oh, sorry, you're the dude. Okay. I wasn't really paying attention there.
There's more of them! Hey, get them off my back and I'll make you famous.
Oh, no. Grenade, run!
That's impressive. Have I
That
ever
ang-
thought about a career in professional sports?
Oh, yeah. Pro MLG soccer player, here we go. Major League Baseball. MLG. Major. What? Did I say MLB or MLG? I don't even remember what I said now. I'm using the wrong weapon. Get him, boy. Get him, boy. Damn, boy, he's sick.
I think that's all of them.
Skid milk
You
marks.
must be the two heroes who saved my client, huh? Don't tell me, don't tell me. Socket and Clink.
Ratchet and Clank.
Right,
Huh.
right, beautiful. Sprocket
Socket
and
and-
Clank. I like the sound of it. Real marketing potential. I could sell that.
Jesus
Listen,
Christ.
my client and I got separated in our somewhat hasty trip back to the ship. I'd go meet up with them, but this place is crawling with sand sharks. Think you can help me out?
You have nothing to fear, sir. The sand sharks have been dealt with.
Yeah, boy.
Beautiful. You two have heart. I can sell that.
We are always happy to assist.
You can sell everything, man. Oh, there's a golden nut.
We really appreciate you helping us out.
So where are you off to now?
Hospital, I guess. Gotta get this leg checked out.
A hospital? Skid, come on. You've been through worse. What are we gonna do about your sponsors?
I'm beginning to think you don't, care about me or whatever.
Fine. What about you, Renchi?
Ratchet.
Exactly. You want to be a hoverboard star? This
Not really.
infobot will give you all the details. Just tell him Don Wonderstar sent you.
It's that time again. The annual Blackwater City Hoverboard Competition on Planet Rilgar. Are you a young thrill seeker looking to show off your hoverboard skills?
Yeah.
Then blast on over to Rilgar and experience the pulse-pounding thrill of doing Mach 3 on a rocket-powered piece of plastic. How exciting is the race? Just listen to some of our previous champions.
I never miss the Blackwater City hoverboard competition, except for next year's. I probably won't make that one.
I can't feel my toes. Is that normal?
We're offering cash prizes and holo cards to the winners. So head to Planet Rilgar and take a shot at the most extreme sporting event in the galaxy. And try not to die.
That looks interesting. Off to the races.
Wow,
See if we can get
just
that other
saved
nut.
A celebrity. I want to check out that hoverboard competition.
Yeah, at first.
We should explore the rest of the sports shack.
Okay, the gadget inside the sport shack. The bolt's over there. No, it's not.
Perhaps
That's
we
going
should
to be
explore
annoying.
Skid Sports Shack again. There may be something useful there.
What does this do? Yeah, look, there's the bolt. How do I get over there?
My sensors are picking up a strange energy signature near the slingshot targets. I believe it may be a gadget from Drek Industries.
All right, let's have a look around.
Alright, let's have a look around. I pressed the button, but it didn't. It didn't work. There, now it's working. Go down proximity centers. Sensors.
Hey, don't let old man Richard bum you out. Visit our snowboard department and pick up the latest stem shredding technology. It's never too cold to be cool.
Okay, so there's a bit of a delay with that button pressing.
Hey, Skid here. You know anybody can buy stuff and look, but unless you sound cool, you won't be cool. So check out our
I think Ratchet likes feeling pain. What? Yeah, that makes me really anxious. That last swing we just did was like, whoa.
Ratchet and Clank found a portable hydro displacer, designed by Dr. Nefarious. This ingenious device promised to move water from one place to the other.
What's down there? Oh. Oh, there's 28 in this level. I thought there was only about like 2 or 3. Or is that 28 altogether, maybe? Sure it's not 28 in each level, that'd be just a bit mental.
With just a push of a button, the duo could now fill an entire swimming pool.
Wow.
Originally designed to unclog Valkyrie toilets, Ratchet would find the hydro displacer invaluable in navigating the sewers of the galaxy.
We should head back to the ship.
The sewers of the galaxy. Let's look at the map. How do we get to here? Kind of annoying me. I can see the nut, but I don't know how to get to it. Maybe from up there. So if you guys know how to get to that, please let me know down in the comments below, and I will get back to you.
Let's pick a new planet. With Skid gone, there's not much left to do on Iridia.
There's only 3 in that one.
Infiltrating this facility will require advanced equipment. We should visit Wilgar to acquire it.
Okay.
What do you say we put this new hoverboard to the test?
Travel to the hoverboard event. We should do both of them in the next episode, I think.
Infiltrating this facility will require advanced equipment.
Well, in the next session. I'm going to leave this here, and I'm gonna then record some more later on. Once the first few episodes go up and I get some response right. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.